फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू पंडोले स्टडीज़। तो आज मैं आप सबके लिए लेकर आई हूँ एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट ऐसे ऑन द ग्रेट लीडर दैट इज़ महात्मा गांधी। महात्मा गांधी जी को तो हम सभी जानते हैं। महात्मा गांधी हमारे राष्ट्र के राष्ट्रपिता है, नेशंस फादर है। इनके ऊपर आज मैं एक ऐसे लेकर आई हूँ, बहुत ही ईजी इनकी लाइफ पे और इनके अच्छे कैरेक्टर पे मैं आज ये ऐसे लेकर आई हूँ। आप लोग इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और पंडोले स्टडीज़ को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही अच्छी वीडियोस के लिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। ऐसे द ग्रेट लीडर महात्मा गांधी। इंट्रोडक्शन। Everyone knows about Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great person of India and a great leader of India. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd of October 1869. His birthplace is Porbandar, Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi's father name is Karamchand Gandhi. He was Diwan of Rajkot and his mother's name is Putli Bai. She was a religious minded lady. Mahatma Gandhi was married to Kasturba Gandhi on 1872 in the age of 13 years. Now let's see educational qualification of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi went to school when he was age of 7 years. He was very intelligent student in the school and he was very shy student. Mahatma Gandhi did not mix with other students of the school. Mahatma Gandhi passed his matriculation examination in the age of 18 years. Gandhiji was an overage student in the school, but Gandhiji was very sincere and obedient student. Gandhiji never tell lie in his life. After passing matriculation examination, he went to England to higher studies. Gandhiji went to the England to study law. When he returned to the India, he became a barrister and started his practice in law of Mumbai. Here I share you the picture of barrister Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi started his political life in South Africa. He fight for the right of Indians living there. Gandhiji was started Satyagraha movement and got success in the South Africa. After he returned to India, he fight for Indian freedom. He started Quit India movement. He became a leader of the Indian National Congress Party. He, along with his follower, bravely fight for freedom of India. He used never failing weapons of truth and ahimsa. He started many movements in India. He was sent to jail many times for his Satyagraha movement. Finally, on 15th August 1947, India tasted freedom and became a British free nation. And for India's independence, Gandhiji played a very important role. That's why, for giving respect to this great man from that time, Gandhiji is known as Father of the Nation. Every currency of India has a photo of Mahatma Gandhi. Like you can see the notes of currency of India, जहाँ पे हमें आपको नोट्स मैंने शो किए हैं, जैसे कि 2000 का नोट, 500 का नोट, 100 का नोट, 200 का नोट, 20 का नोट, 50 का नोट और 10 का नोट। अब ये चेंज हो गए हैं। पहले जो नोट आते थे वो इस तरह से आते थे। His death, a sadly movement. His death. Mahatma Gandhi died in the Salt Satyagraha movement. Mahatma Gandhi died due to the shooting of Nathuram Godse during Salt Satyagraha. Gandhiji was a religious man. He believed in the God. Used to hold prayer meeting at Birla House in Delhi. Every evening he was shot dead by weak man Nathuram Godse on 30th January 1948. The whole world was unhappy with the death of Mahatma Gandhi and was amazed and drawn in the bewilderment of Mahatma Gandhi's death. Conclusion. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of India. He was a great sant and a great son of Mother India. People who of the world lovingly called Bapuji. Mahatma Gandhi loved Harijans very much. He removed untouchability He served Harijans all his life. He wanted Hindu-Muslim unity and he tried for it a lot. He was a man of his word. He was a strong personality filled with principles and good characters and a soft heart. He is died, but he is always alive in the heart of every Indian of every decade. So guys, with this I am ending this session of महात्मा ऐसे on महात्मा गांधी. आप इस ऐसे का PDF नोट के लिए विद इमेजेस PDF नोट के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी गई लिंक को क्लिक कीजिए. इसमें आप हमारे वेबसाइट पर जाकर इसका PDF लिंक डाउनलोड कर लीजिए. और ऐसे ही अच्छे वीडियोस के लिए पंडोले स्टडीज़ को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए और हमारे बापूजी के इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग गाइज. और हमारे चैनल पंडोले स्टडीज़ को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग गाइज.